What's up, beautiful people? In this video, I'm gonna tell you about a superpower of marigolds that I'm probably sure you didn't know they had. Let's get to it. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people? It's me, Ricky Jones Jr., back again for another video. And like I said on this one, I will be sharing with you a superpower of marigolds that you probably didn't know that they had. Now, I love talking about marigolds because they are a super plant, and they are a super plant largely because of their ability to repel pests from your garden and from your leafy greens and things like that. However, there is something about marigolds that I'm probably sure you did not know. Wait, before I show you all that, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, click that thumbs up button if you like learning about marigolds, plants, gardening, or anything in between, because here on this here channel, you will find all those things. So let's go get to it. Oh, all right. So before I go ahead and give you the information, let me go ahead and show you all the various marigold plants that I have growing back here. Boom, 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 boom. Y'all see those bad boys. And, you know, we're all here, right? And you see the raised beds here. Don't worry about them. It's summertime, the greens are suffering. Then we have some over here with the collard greens and the rosemary and all those things in between. And then we have some things going on out here, right? And then if I was to show you all in the raised bed over here, I don't know if you remember, but I planted those, and I planted some in here, but those did not work out. Don't worry about these things. But boom, 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 marigolds, right? All right, so the superpower that I wanted to emphasize, highlight, and show you all in this video is their ability to procreate, right? Or, you know, reincarnate themselves, regrow themselves, continue to produce, continue to blossom, continue to bloom, right? All those things, all of these marigolds that I showed you all are outside of the actual raised beds in which I actually grew them in. So I found this and saw this. I was like, oh man, this is like a little cool fun fact, largely because in growing different things in the garden, we know how difficult it can be to grow things where we want it to grow. However, marigolds have the ability to grow where they want to grow, right? So it could be a pro, it could be a con, but it is something to keep in mind, largely because, you know, like I said, it is something that we all probably grow in our gardens, or we should grow in our gardens, but then know that they have the ability to grow where they want to grow in your garden. So definitely be mindful of them and how they do blossom, bloom, and spread throughout your garden. But let me show you how they do what they do. All right, great people. So these right here are called deadheads, okay? These are deadheads, and within the deadheads, there are abundance of seeds. And I say abundance because, I mean, I can even go ahead and count like how many are actually in here. Let me just show you just this one right here. So right here, look at all of these seeds. These are all marigold seeds that come from this one deadhead. I showed you all before in another video, but just for those that maybe are new to this channel and like, man, what is a deadhead? What are these seeds? What do they look like? Boom shakalaka. This is what they are. This is how they are. I would say it's at least 100 marigold seeds in this one deadhead, okay? But largely this is important because this is what is flying in the air, going where it needs to go and growing where it wants to grow, okay? When these things die, they become very limp, very agile, and they flow within the air. They do what the air wants it to do, which is blow and go, and then they settle in the ground, and then they grow. Okay, great people? Man, this video is full of rhyming, but it's all right. It's okay. But with these deadheads, they do blossom and grow with the various areas in which you see them growing. So this even lets me know how the wind blows in my garden that way, right? But more than anything, I'm just showing you all this because I want you all to be aware of what's going on in your garden, or more than anything, be prepared for what can take place in your garden if marigolds is something that you are growing. Now, even in the backyard, I'm gonna do a whole fortress of marigolds, largely because of their beneficial properties that I've already expressed before, or in other videos as well. But more than anything, hey, they have the superpower to reproduce themselves. I want to share that with you all, so here's the video. But anyway, I love y'all. I appreciate you all. I just want to give that quick tip and idea, but then show you why and how they do what they do and have the superpower that they have. So with all that being said, I love you all. I appreciate you all. And remember, you never have to garden alone because you could always garden with me. And yeah, go ahead and click that subscribe button because we are on the way to 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2022. With the help of you, we'll be there that much faster. All right, great people. Love you all. Peace.